Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about calculation of mean in case of ungrouped data using direct and step deviation method. In this class we are going to discuss how to calculate mean in case of discrete data using direct and step deviation method. Let's start problem number 1, that is compute arithmetic mean for the following data by direct and deviation method. So here given observations are x and f observations are given. So here x observations are 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 and f observations are 2, 5, 7, 4 and 2. So these are the given observations. See here x and f observations are given and therefore it is discrete data. So here we need to calculate arithmetic mean using direct and step deviation method. Let's see how to solve arithmetic mean using direct method in case of discrete data. And here given informations are x and f observations are given. So x observations are 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 and f observations are 2, 5, 7, 4 and 2. So these are discrete data. So in case of discrete data, to calculate mean, the direct method formula is x bar is equal to summation f into x divided by capital letter N. See here capital letter N in the sense that is total frequency. So here total frequency is denoted by capital letter N. So here total frequency in the sense that sum of this frequency. So here sum of frequency is that is 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 is 20. So here capital letter N is 20. So here we got capital letter N. So here capital letter N is 20. Next we need to calculate sum of fx. So sum of f into x in the sense. So we need here x observations are there, f observations are there. So next we need to do f into x. F into x. So f is 2, x is 11. So 2 into 11 is, that is 22. Next here f observation is 5, x is 12. So 12 into 5 is 60. Next here f observation is 7, x observation is 13. So 7 into 13 is 91. Next here f observation is 4, x observation is 14. So 14 into 4 is 56. Next f observation is 2, x observation is 15. So 2 into 15 is 30. So here we got f into x observations. So f into x observations. So here based on formula we need sum of f into x. So next we need to find sum of f into x in the sense total of this f into x observations, that is 22 plus 60 plus 91 plus 56 plus 30 is 259. So 22 plus 60 plus 91 plus 56 plus 30 is 259. So here sum of fx is 259. Now I will substitute these two observations, these two value under this formula. So here sum of fx is equal to, so here sum of fx is 259 divided by capital letter N is 20. So this is equal to 259 divided by 20 is 12.95. So here we got x bar is 12.95. Okay, this is all about direct method. Okay, next we need to calculate arithmetic mean in case of direct method. Sorry, deviation method. So deviation method formula. Okay, to calculate arithmetic mean in case of deviation method, in case of discrete data, the formula is x bar is equal to a plus sum of f into u divided by capital letter N. So a in the sense that is assumed mean. So assumed mean we need to find in x column only. We need to find assumed mean in x observation only. So here assumed mean is, I will take a as 11, smallest value, to avoid negative value. So here in x observation the smallest value is 11, therefore I will take a as 11. So here a is 11. Okay, next we need to find, here n is, capital letter N is there, and here a is 11. Then next we need to calculate sum of f into u. So here how to calculate u? To calculate u, the formula is x minus a. See here f observations are there. So here we need to calculate only u is equal to x minus a. So u is equal to x minus a. Here a is 11. So x is, in the first column x is 11. So 11 minus 11 in the sense that is 0. Next x observation is 12. 12 minus 11 is 1. Next x observation is 13. So 13 minus 11 in the sense that is 2. Next x observation is 14. 14 minus a is 11, right? So 14 minus 11 in the sense that is 3. Next 15 minus 11 is 4. So here we got u is equal to x minus a. So in the sense here we got u observations. Next see the formula. Based on formula, here we need sum of f into u. So here, now we got u observations, f observations. So next we need to do f into u. F into u. So how to do f into u? So see the first observation f, that is 2. See the first observation of u, that is 0. So 2 into 0, that is 0. Next f observation is 5 and u observation is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Next f observation is 7 and u observation is 2. So 7 into 2 is 14. Next f observation is 4. F observation is 4 and u observation is 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. Next f observation is 2 and u observation is 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. So these are f u observations. Okay, next see, based on formula we need sum of f into u. See, these are f into u observations. So next we need to do sum of f into u. So sum of f into u in the sense that is total of this u f into u observations, that is 5 plus 14 plus 12 plus 8, that is 39. So now I will here we got sum of f into u and we have n, what is n and what is a. Now I will substitute all these values under this formula. So what is a here? A is 11 plus sum of f into u. Sum of f into u is 39 divided by what is capital letter N? Capital letter N is 20. So this is equal to 11 plus 39 divided by 20 is 1.95. So this is 12.95. Okay, 1.95. So that is 11 plus 1.95 is 12.95. Okay, this is all about first problem. See, here the answers are same. Here we got answers are same, but the method formulas are different and methods are different. Okay, this is all about first problem. Next move to problem number 2. So here the second problem number 5 is calculate mean for the following data by direct and subdeviation method, and here given informations are x and f observations are given. So x observations are 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 and 31, and f observations are 13, 15, 16, 18, 16, 15 and 13. So these are the given informations. So see here x and f observations are given. So here two set of observations are given, in the sense these are discrete data. Okay. So in discrete data, to calculate mean, the formula to calculate mean using direct method, the formula is x bar is equal to sum of fx divided by capital letter N. So here given informations are, I will write here. So x observations are 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 and 31, and f observations are 13, 15, 16, 18, 16, 15 and 13. So these are f observations. So based on formula we need to do sum of f into x. So here x observations are there, f observations are there. So next column is f into x, that is, so first f observation is 13 and x observation is 19. So 13 into 13 is 247. Next f observation is 15, x observation is 21. So that is 21 into 15 is 315. Next f observation is 16, x observation is 23. So 23 into 16 is 368. Next f observation is 18, x observation is 25. So 25 into 18 is 450. Next x observation is 27, f observation is 16. So 27 into 16 is 432. Next f observation is 15, x observation is 29. So 29 into 15 is 435. Next f observation is 13, x observation is 31. So 31 into 13 is 403. So next, based on formula we need to find sum of f into x. So here f into x observations are there, we need to find total of this. That is, first observation is 247 plus 315 plus 368 plus 450 plus 432 plus 435 plus 403. So first observation is 247, 315, 368, 450, 432, 435 and 403 is 2650. So here what is capital letter N? Capital letter N is total frequency. So here total frequency is 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 16 plus 15 plus 13. So here capital letter N is 106. Okay, now I will substitute these two values under this formula. So here x bar is equal to summation f into summation fx is 2650 divided by capital letter N is 106. So this is equal to 2650 divided by 106 is 25. So here we got x bar is 25. Okay, next this is all about direct method in case calculation of this is calculation of mean in case of direct method. So next we need to calculate mean in step deviation method. So next method is step deviation method. So in discrete data, the step deviation method formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation f into a u divided by capital letter N. So we know that what is capital letter N. Here we got capital letter N is 106. So see here, here we got what is capital letter N, and here a is assumed mean. So this assumed mean we need to find in x observation only. See, in x observation smallest value is 19, therefore I will take a is 19. So here a is 19, and next we need to calculate sum of f into u. See, here f observations are there, so here we need to find u observation. So to calculate u observation, the formula is x minus a. So here x, these are x observations, so a is 19 here, so therefore, so first x observation is 19, so 19 minus a is 19, right? So a is 19, so 19 minus 19 is 0. Next x observation is 21, 21 minus 19 is 2, then 23 minus 19 is 4, then 25 minus 19 is 6, next 27 minus 19 is 8, then 29 minus 19 is 10, then 31 minus 19 is 12. See, these are u observations. So based on formula we need f into u. So next column is f into u. So f observation, these are f observations and these are u observations. We need to do multiply of these observations. So first f observation is 13 and u observation is 0. So 13 into 0 is 0 only. Next f observation is 15 and u observation is 2. So 15 into 2 is 30. Next f observation is 16 and u observation is 4. 16 into 4 is 64. Next f observation is 18 and u observation is 6. So 18 into 6 is 108. Next f observation is 16 and u observation is 8. So 16 into 8 is 128. Next f observation is 15 and u observation is 10. So 15 into 10 is 150. Next f observation is 13 and u observation is 12. So 13 into 12 is 156. So these are f into u observations. See, based on formula we need sum of f into u. So here sum of f into u is, that is 30 plus 64 plus 108 plus 128 plus 150 plus 156. So here sum of f into u is 636. Sum of f into u is 636. So now x bar is equal to, what is a? A is 19 plus sum of f into u. So sum of f into u is 636 divided by, what is capital letter N? Capital letter N is 106. So this is equal to 19 plus 636 divided by 106 is 6. So this is equal to 19 plus 6 is 25. See, here we got same answer but formulas are different. Okay, this is all about the calculation of mean in case of discrete data using direct and step deviation method. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.